Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing a prop review of Crackles the Clown from Spirit Halloween. Now I really like how the face opens. I think it's such a cool addition that we've never seen on any other animatronic before. And he's overall just a really cool one in my opinion. One of my favorites of the year, definitely. Probably the best clown this year. The clowns this year are pretty terrible at Spirit Halloween, but this one's actually good. I like his activation and how you have to press the special activation to get him going when he's in the store. I really like that, and yeah, I think he looks really cool. And great clown prop, probably one of the best in the modern days, to be honest. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.